If you want to use ChatGPT for blog posts the smart way, this simple checklist will save you a huge amount of time and help you create better content from start to finish. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process for turning one idea into a polished blog post, from choosing a topic all the way to publishing it on your website. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. Step 1 is choosing your topic. Before you write anything, ask ChatGPT for blog topic ideas so you have a clear direction. For example, you can type, "Give 10 blog topic ideas on fitness." This is a great way to brainstorm quickly, especially if you're stuck or want to find topics your audience is already searching for. You can also make the prompt more specific by adding your niche, audience, or goal. The more context you give, the better the ideas you'll get back. Once you have your topic, move to step 2, which is creating an outline. This is where ChatGPT helps you organize your article before you start writing. You can prompt it by saying, "Create blog outline with headings H1, H2, H3. This gives you a clean structure and makes the writing process much easier. A strong outline helps you stay focused, cover the right points, and avoid repeating yourself. It also makes your final blog post easier to read and better for SEO. Step 3 is writing the first draft. After your outline is ready, ask ChatGPT to turn it into a full article. A simple prompt like, "Write blog post with introduction, body, conclusion," can get you a complete draft in seconds. This is especially useful if you want to move fast and avoid staring at a blank page. At this stage, don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is to get a solid base that you can improve later. Now comes step 4, improving the content. This is where you refine the writing so it sounds more natural, useful, and engaging. You can tell ChatGPT, "Make it more engaging and SEO-friendly." This helps improve the tone, strengthen transitions, and make the article better for readers and search engines. You can also ask it to shorten long sections, make the language simpler, or make the post sound more professional depending on your audience. Step 5 is adding SEO elements. If you want your blog post to rank better, ask ChatGPT for keywords, a meta description, and title ideas. These parts are important because they help your content show up in search results and attract clicks. You can ask for primary keywords, related keywords, and alternative titles so you can choose the best version. This is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT for blogging because it can help with both writing and search optimization in one workflow. Step 6 is editing and personalizing the post. Even though ChatGPT can create a great draft, you should still add your own examples, opinions, and brand voice. This makes the content feel more authentic and useful to your readers. It's also the perfect time to check facts, verify statistics, and make sure everything is accurate. Think of ChatGPT as your writing assistant, not your final editor. The more personal touches you add, the stronger the article becomes. Finally, step 7 is publishing. Once your blog post is ready, copy it into your blog platform like WordPress, Medium, or wherever you publish content. Then add images, formatting, bullet points, and headings to make the post easy to scan. A clean layout can make a huge difference in how people read and interact with your content. Before hitting publish, do one last review to make sure everything looks good and flows well. So that's the full checklist for using ChatGPT for blog posts. First, choose your topic. Then create an outline. Write the draft, improve the content, add SEO elements, edit and personalize, and finally, publish. If you follow this process, you can create blog posts much faster without sacrificing quality. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.